Now, don't think I'm insensitive. This is going to happen regardless of if I look at it or not. But I do find it amazing. So many homes are built right on the cliff face, which is beautiful. This is Honolulu, one of the local surf beaches. And you'll see just past it to the left, there's a green roof house. The cliff face looks brown. It's eroding. Already a lot of the patio has fallen off into the ocean. Eventually, the whole house is going to go.
No compensation for that, eh?
No, I think they were doing a news report on it where they were, the people were saying, well, the county didn't tell them it was possible or something. But I mean, I guess that's what the lawyer's going to try to pull. But as far as I understand it, nope. Just off our nose, a little town, actually a little area called Coconut Island. Beautiful Japanese-style park to walk around. Just on the other side of the hotels and whatnot, we've got Reed's Bay, fun restaurant called Ponds. We've got some really good food down there. We got a sliced ahi salad. Woo-hoo. It's more than a salad. You put the wasabi and the ginger and the soy sauce with it. It is delicious. And off our nose, we got got your home here for the next. I'm not sure how much longer the cruise is, but the boat off the nose. And just past the boat, beautiful, beautiful beaches.
4 more days.
4 more days, okay. All right, any questions, just hold them. We'll be able to go out here in a second. All right, guys and gals, what y'all think? Kind of fun, huh?
Awesome.
Well, I hope y'all got some relaxation in, got some good pictures, and enjoyed it. We are going to hold tight. Aircraft's going to sit down right next to us. Then the girls are going to run over and open up the doors for you. Once the doors are open, you can take your seatbelts off, and then you'll step off the aircraft. Make your way past the rotor disc. You know you're there once you get onto the white box on the ground. That's the no free haircut zone. That's where you want to stand for photos. And if you do want photos, let them take your cameras. They'll take pictures of you. And then walk in together as a group down the little white brick road there, I guess white stripe pathway, and into the front office checkout. Made a video for you. Sometimes some of the footage comes out pretty cool. So I never really know. I'm just a monkey up here pushing buttons, and then we get back and see how it comes out. But the girls usually do a pretty good job putting it together, and might be kind of a fun souvenir for you. So ask them up front. Well, here she comes. Let her do her job. You guys enjoy. Maybe we'll see you down the road somewhere. Y'all take care.
Thanks so much.
Absolutely.